going, everyone? Just back at it again. Fucking doing the insane shit as always. I just got the recovery Luxy out here. Just doing some these fucking things. I already did this side, but I'll just do a rundown of this. So firstly, what you want to do, get your Rebel. You want to jam that straight up, and then you want to have where your upper control arm joins in, you've got a bolt here, so you just want to, I think this is a 19mm socket. Rattle gun. You want to whack that nut off. Then you want to get your hammer and fucking smack the fuck out of this bolt. See how it's not coming out, it's like, you won't be able to get it. And you just whack the top. Make sure you remember all your bolts and shit. So what I like to do is just whack them all back in where they came from. So now we've got that done. What we want to come in here. Normally I would be taking all this fucking brake lines and shit off, but not today. We're doing a quick job today. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull off this tie rod in, if it even will come off. Put all your nuts and bolts back where they came from, just to make it a bit easier for the next time you want to do this. So down underneath, oh, you can probably see it, there's a big nut, there's a very bottom big nut, and there's a side nut that's also just as big as the bottom one. So this is what holds this whole piece on, you know. Oh fuck, that's a big spider. Hang on 1 second, bear with me guys. I got him. Whoa, he was nasty too. Oh, yuck, yucky. Fucking hate spiders. Anyway, back to it. So well, alright, so after a little bit of difficulty, we've got this. So this works sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it does. You don't, like the other side, this didn't work on the other side. Well, I mean it did, but it took a little while to go, you know. But what I normally like to do is hold this up here more. I can't remember if I took off the top one or the bottom one first. Pretty sure it was the top one. Like everyone's different, you know, like everyone does their own way of things and processes. Okay, so it turned out I wasn't using the right socket. I got it mixed up. This is a 24mm socket. I don't know if you can really see that, but this is a 24mm. Rather than have to hold the whole thing up.
faço bem, sou. Não sai só de fim de semana.
And it actually wasn't too bad. So now this whole piece is gonna come off. Oh, actually, hang on. Oh yeah, it is. This whole piece is gonna come off. Oh, and it is fucking heavy. It's very heavy. So just try and hold it up. This is why we take brake lines off. You don't have to do this. But when your name's Chris, you don't need that. Alright, so now almost there. Because fucking I want to knock off by now. Fuck this. Without your socket on it, because that won't be too good, to be honest. But anyway, fucking whack it now. There you go, whack the socket off, whack your bolt out. Yeah, so this one's almost there actually. Just gotta persuade it the rest of the way, I guess. Oh, that's right. Fuck. This was the top one. This is why I do this every time I work on any car I work on. Fucking, I always forget something. One thing, always. Okay. This 17, I think. No, 19 mil will be the sway bar link bolts. Oh, not so. Yeah, this one fucking good. Whack that tongue off just like that. Remember, it's your grandma's birthday today, so she, you know, you want to fucking treat her to something special. Having grandma drive in the road in a fucking piece of shit. I mean, it is a Ford, so. Anyway, so now you got your sway bar. Hang on, I'm a bit caught up. There we go, perfect. So that's that sway bar link done. Just want to put all your bolts back on. And yes, I am rushing a little bit because I fucking do want to go home. So I can get fucking eaten by mozzies. There was a trick with this bolt here. Oh, you can't see it. Hang on. Yeah, so this bolt here, normally, obviously, you know, you try and get it from the other side. But then you have this problem, right? So, because I sat here on the other side, I sat here for like 20 minutes doing this. Oh, hell, fuck, it's not coming out. So that's when I came up with a good idea. Extension doesn't need to be massively long, but just long enough to where you can get past everything. So mine's generally about this long. That's my extension. And yeah, it may look goofy or whatever, but hey, at least it gets the job done. Spiders or whatever it could be. so now we're ready to whack the new one in. There's the new one here, nice and shiny. Where'd that bolt go there? I just normally just feed it in like this. Up, don't twist it, whatever you do, don't fucking twist it. I normally just push it into the top and just like sort of try and wiggle it into place. Again, I'm not a professional, so you know, I'm just doing what I need to do to get this done. Alright, so now once you've got this in, just make the bolt in there. Just go on. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, bad. I was tripping there for a second. What the fuck? So, yeah, so. Bit easier, you know. Yeah, so you just want to whack them in there just like so. Okay, last thing last, fucking sit that top upper control arm in there. And you just gotta try and get the shaft in. Dude, it's fucking cunt sometimes. Oh, that's right. Got to do up that control arm a bit more.